At wellnessvista.com, our mission is intertwined seamlessly with yours, advocating holistic well-being for all women who seek balance in their lives. We celebrate diversity by catering not only to physical differences, but also unique emotional needs experienced by each individual walking through those clinic doors. By partnering with us, these esteemed clinics gain access not only to an extensive range of high-quality beauty products, but also valuable resources encompassing mental clarity exercises or vibrant workshops, led by experts passionate about nurturing feminine strength. Our vision extends far beyond commercial success. It encompasses fostering communities centered around love and empowerment that uplift one another towards leading healthier, happier lives. Together, we can redefine wellness by embracing the transformative power of self-care and self-love. So let wellnessvista.com guide you on a journey towards complete well-being, where lotions become more than skincare. They symbolize an act of kindness to yourself. Discover serenity as our products bless your skin, breathe new life into your soul, and amplify the remarkable work accomplished within women's wellness clinics across this great nation.